Hi, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make chawanmushi. Chawanmushi is egg custard, savory type of food. If you go to traditional Japanese restaurant or kaiseki ryori, they usually serve. And this dish was used to be substitute of soup. But now, even they serve soup, they do serve this dish. So I don't think they may count soup anymore. Or maybe sometimes they do, but that's what I heard. That's this dish came from. I will show you how to make this delicious food today.
I bought only one thigh with bone, so I took off the bone and also taking off the skin. I don't use lots of meat here. And also, people use chicken rather than other meat, which is beef or pork. I'm cutting chicken like half-inch square. And you don't need to put chicken if you don't want to. I want to show you how to prep chicken for this food, so I purchased chicken and show you how to do it. Put chicken in the bowl and put boiled water over it and mix it. Then soon put in the ice water. I'm doing this extra step so that you don't have chicken scent when you cook with other ingredients. You can skip the process if you want. And take the water out. I have other YouTube video how to make dashi. This is Yamaimo and those are the ingredients. I freeze shiitake mushrooms. If you freeze mushrooms, it actually make taste better. You don't need to put Yamaimo. I had it, so I used it. Yamaimo is very slimy, so be careful when you cut it. Cut almost same size as other ingredients. Mix the egg here. When you mix it, don't make bubbles. And try to cut the egg white. Make sure at this point dashi is not too hot, not hotter than human temperature. When the water is boiling, set the timer. First, steam for 4 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Then wait for 8 minutes. When you are waiting for 8 minutes, do not touch anything. This is perfect and easiest way to make chawanmushi.
I hope you enjoy my video today and make this delicious food at your home. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.